This is John with WTI, and this is mainly one of the best protein shakes that I had in a while. So I work from home and I am constantly doing things on a daily basis. So I would always have a problem when it comes to reaching my protein goals of the day. So this is where this protein shake by Labrada does a great work. This is 40 grams of protein. Yes, it's really good. So whenever you are having that problem that maybe in the day you could have maybe one or two meals, or just have you're reaching your level for you to build muscle, or maybe after a workout you want to have a great protein shake, this guy here comes in clutch. The great flavor of salted caramel, it just, you put it in the freezer for a good time, and it's gonna taste great. Awesome. A little bit of a high calorie because it's 40 grams of protein, but at the same time, it's gonna be great for you to you build muscle. So if you're looking for a great protein shake, high protein grams is gonna be great for you. This was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.